The number of creators that I see doing this wrong is so bad. It's just so bad. Especially because if you get fined by the FTC, it can literally be thousands of dollars. And it's such a simple thing that you need to fix. Okay, I'm going to show you what you need to know. You need to know these things I'm about to tell you by heart. They need to be drilled into your soul, okay? So basically the FTC is the Federal Trade Commission. They protect the interests of American consumers, okay? This is the most important part. If you listen to only one thing, it needs to be this. When you have any type of relationship with a brand, financial, employment, personal, or family, it needs to be disclosed. But this right here is gold, okay? Not just money. If you are getting paid in free products or discounts, that is also something that needs to be disclosed legally. So for example, if you are a like to know it blogger and you are basically getting commission on something and you post it in Instagram stories, you technically need to have a disclaimer on there that says that you are getting paid, hashtag sponsored, hashtag affiliate, whatever it is, need to post some sort of disclaimer there legally. So how can you disclose? First things first, you need to make it obvious. We've seen way too many scandals where creators have like hidden ad somewhere deep in the corner. We don't see it. That's a huge no-no. If you're on Instagram or even here on TikTok where you can see just a little bit of the caption down here, it needs to be before the fold. For example, I don't have to hit view more to see that it's an ad. It needs to be at the top. If you're creating a video ad, the disclaimer actually needs to be on the video as well as in the caption. And if you're curious about like what you should actually be writing, these are all totally fine words or like phrases to use. It also does not need to be a hashtag. Like I feel like that's a big misconception. Hashtag ad, it doesn't have to be hashtag ad. You could just say ad. Or maybe something like thanks to Lancome for the free product. Also, common misconception, you legally cannot say that you like a product that you have not tried. Or you can't say that you really loved this product and you in reality actually hated it. Like legally, not just are you misleading people because that's a scumbag thing to do, you are legally going against what is actually written in law. I would highly suggest that you go through the FTC guidelines. If you go on Google, type in influencer FTC guidelines, you'll get a whole PDF. Literally memorize it front to back, or else you could possibly be fined so much money and you don't want that.